Good day, viewers and subscribers. Today topic we're going to talk about the death and birth of the sun. Everything lives and dies. Scientists say there are supermassive black holes, million to billion times bigger than the sun, that lurks at the heart of all galaxies in the universe. They also say in the center of our galaxy is a giant mass of light. They call these light quasar. They say quasars are formed from magnetic field near a spinning black hole in the center of our galaxy. These quasars, they say, propel electrons outward. They also say these electrons produce bright radio waves, so bright it drowns out the light from all stars. Think about it. Could this be how daylight is formed? And the sun to rule over the day? The birth of the sun? Think about it, people. Remember now, they tell you that at the center of the galaxy, there is this massive black hole that's propel out these radio waves. It's so bright, it drown all stars out. They also say at the center of our galaxy there is this spinning disk of gas and dust, spinning so bright it's push it out into the universe also. So this brings me to say that could this be the birth of the sun and the daylight? The daylight comes before the sun comes up. If you people notice that the daylight comes before the sun comes up, it is as if the daylight is preparing the way for the sun. It is as if the sun ride upon these radioactive waves called daylight, we drown out all the stars. It's like the sun ruling this day. See? Yeah, the sun ruled the day. According to the Bible, God said, let there be light, and there was light, and He create a greater light to rule over the day. Think about it, people. Could it be the birth of the sun and how the daylight comes about? Think about it, people. Now we're going to take a look at the death of the sun now. Yes. When the sun goes down, could it be the sun enter into these black holes? Then nightfall. If you notice, when the sun goes down, it's like that blue light that was in the sky, it's like it take a time, turn right off. Like it feeds the sun and the sun feeds it. So as the sun goes down, and I say into these black hole, it's like the black hole would have come like it's sepulcher or it's grave or that's where the sun goes to recharge. As the sun enter into it, nightfall, I would say these holes swallow up the sun. These black holes swallow the sun, and the daylight just turn off instant. And I say that's the death of the sun. Yes, think about it, people. If you guys observe, when the sun is going down, you can see this blue sky same way when the sun is going down. As the sun temperature drop, you still see the blue light, you know, the sun color begins to change. You know what I mean? You still see the blue light. But it's like as the sun comes out of our sight totally, you can see like the blue light begins to turn off. It get darker and darker and darker. It's as if they works together. The light, that blue light in the sky works with the sun. Or the sun works with it. You know what I mean? So this brings me to say that the sun, the death of the sun and the birth of the sun, because every day this process takes place. Death and birth. Every day with the sun. Death and birth of the sun. Yeah, every day this takes place. If you don't even want to call it death, many would say the sun goes into like a recharge when it enter into this world. Many people will say, because many people would say, well, that could be where the sun go charge. You know what I mean? To come again. You know what I mean? So, but I say it's the death of the sun. I say it's the death of the sun. That's where the sun goes. Into these holes. These holes. Because if you people notice that, the Bible also say that in Psalms 19, how the heaven declare the glory of God, and the firmament sheweth his handiworks. Day unto day uttereth speech, night unto night sheweth knowledge. There is no speech nor language where their voice is not heard. Their lines are gone out throughout the world, and their words to the end of the world. In them he set a tabernacle for the sun. That means it's like he's saying, in these lines, there is a tabernacle for the sun, which as a bridegroom, coming out of his chamber, rejoicing as a strong man to run a race. And biblically speaking, and to what scientists saying, is what scientists saying. That's what they are observing when they look out there and see. See? Say these lights immense out of these holes. God said, the Bible say chambers. These chambers in the earth. Scientists say galaxies. But the Bible say these lines, But I know the earth, anything that goes up, shoot up, it must have come from below. Below. So if they are saying that radio waves shoot out into the galaxy and it drown all these light out, that means at the center of our earth, there is this massive black hole where it's like a recycling center or an engine or energy room. That's where everything made and spread out, and you know what I mean? Everything's made from the center and shoot out into the heavens. Yeah. So if you notice that, you will see where I'm coming from. And I just want these people to think, not to bash me or telling me all these things, but to do your own observation and look what you see taking place. Because you only can look what you see going on, and then you make your judgment from there on. Nobody now have to tell you nothing if you're there and see it. So that's all for today. Tune in, subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more what I think. All right then.